Rajmata Gayatri Devi, who passed away on July 29, 2009, was a prominent member of Jaipur's royal family. Married to Savai Man Singh, she transitioned from princess to Maharani and was renowned as the world's most beautiful woman of her time. Known for her outspoken political views, Gayatri Devi entered politics in 1962, winning her first Lok Sabha election by a record margin of 192,000 votes on a Swatantra Party ticket. Despite political tensions with Nehru, her rivalry with Indira Gandhi was more personal. Indira Gandhi once referred to her as a glass doll in parliament and abolished royal privy purse, which intensified their feud. During the emergency, Gayatri Devi was imprisoned for 5 months, leading to her retirement from politics after her release. Today, her granddaughter, Maharani Diya Kumari, serves as the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Aruna Asaf Ali, a prominent freedom fighter, passed away on July 29, 1996. She is best remembered for hoisting the tricolour at Gowalia Maidan in Mumbai during the Quit India movement in 1942, inspiring thousands to join the struggle. After this brave act, she evaded arrest by going underground, continuing her secret contributions to the freedom fight. Post-independence, Aruna remained active in social and political spheres, joining the Communist Party of India and supporting leftist movements. She also made history as the first mayor of Delhi. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, a renowned social reformer, writer and teacher, passed away on July 29, 1891. A key figure in the Bengal Renaissance, he championed women's education and widow remarriage, playing a crucial role in the enactment of Widow Remarriage Act of 1856. Vidyasagar also opposed child marriage and worked tirelessly to promote women's education, founding numerous schools for girls in Calcutta and beyond. His extensive contributions earned him the title of Vidyasagar, meaning ocean of knowledge. J.R.D. Tata, born on July 29, 1904, was a prominent industrialist and head of Tata Group. A Parsi, he was the son of industrialist Ratanji Dadabhoy Tata. J.R.D. Tata, who initially studied in France and India before briefly attending Cambridge University, became chairman of Tata Sons in 1938. Under his leadership, the Tata Group expanded into numerous sectors. He was India's first licensed pilot and founded Tata Airlines in 1932, which later became Air India. Tata's contribution included the growth of Tata Steel, Tata Motors, and other key companies. He was honoured with Padma Vibhushan in 1955 and the Bharat Ratna in 1992. J.R.D. Tata passed away on November 29, 1993 in Geneva.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी, एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On July 29, 1958, US President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act, leading to the creation of NASA, which began operations on October 1, 1958. NASA, a US government agency, is tasked with overseeing public space programs and conducting aerospace research. Its mission includes human and robotic space exploration, aeronautics research, and various scientific studies. Key objectives include safely sending humans into space, gathering information about Earth and other planets, advancing aviation technology, and collaborating with other countries and space agency. NASA was established in response to the Soviet Union's launch of the Sputnik satellite in 1957, aiming to enhance the US space program. Its headquarters are in Washington, D.C. International Tiger Day, observed on July 29, aims to raise awareness for tiger conservation and protect their natural habitats. Established in 2010 during the Tiger Summit in St. Petersburg, Russia, the day marks the commitment of 13 tiger range countries to double the tiger population by 2022. The celebration promotes awareness of tiger conservation, fosters cooperation between governments and organizations, and supports effective policies. In India, where wild tiger populations have increased by 75% over the past 10 to 12 years, tiger counts are conducted every 4 years to monitor and ensure their conservation. On July 29, 2006, Sri Lankan batsmen Mahela Jayawardene and Kumar Sangakkara set a record for the highest partnership in Test cricket, scoring 624 runs against South Africa. Jayawardene made 374 runs while Sangakkara contributed 287 runs. The first test held in Colombo saw South Africa win the toss and bat first, scoring only 169 runs. By the end of the second day, Sri Lanka had amassed 485 runs. On the third day, Jayawardene and Sangakkara's historic partnership began, establishing a new benchmark in Test cricket history.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.